Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Viren Kapadia, and I'm the President and CEO of Gyrus Systems. Thank you for joining our webinar on Learning Management Systems, Trend 2020 and Beyond, Predicting the New Normal. As organizations are becoming more aware of the benefit of investing in workplace learning and development, the e-learning industry is growing at faster pace. Here are some of the key statistics for 2020 from the e-learning industry. The global e-learning market will reach over $31 billion by end of 2020. The corporate e-learning market is predicted to grow well over 11%. 72% of the organization sees learning management system as a competitive advantage. Corporate level executives and managers are the primary participants in learning management systems. 30% of global learning management systems buyers are tech companies. If you are looking forward to making the best out of this golden opportunity, it is important to follow the latest e-learning. Here in this webinar, we have listed e-learning trends of 2020 and beyond. They are going to redefine the industry standard. Let's take a look at trend number 1. Learning Experience Platform, also referred to as an LXP. The next milestone after learning management system is the learning experience platform. The goal of this platform is to enable self-directed learning to comply with updated standards of industry. Many of the top e-learning software companies have already entered and started to fix their roots in the LXP market. They understand that future of the system. The platform enhances the online learning experience of the users by providing a personalized experience. And LXP allows the employee to explore the learning opportunities, and hence is becoming next must-have for large organizations. These systems are single point of access and can do many tasks, including creating content, improving skill development, enabling network, and tracking learning activities. Lately, LMS vendors are offering LXP features as an add-on, but it is quite difficult to implement all the features in existing software. LinkedIn Learning is an existing example of the same, where Workday Learning has developed new LXP that delivers peer-generated content and interactive learning management system. Hence, analyzing the market growth, the researchers have claimed that learning experience platform is the future of the system. Let's take a look at trend 2. Big data analytics will get bigger. With big data analytical tools, it is easier to acquire data about learner performance on a specific course and use it to deliver more personalized training. More companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and IBM are investing in corporate machine learning and deep learning solutions for their clients. And that means big data's role in every aspect of future organization will expand in coming years. E-learning offers large amount of valuable data, both structured and unstructured, and it will be the most logical place to capitalize on this trend. Technological developments in massive number crunching capabilities and ability to analyze and interpret the data in nanoseconds mean data on employees and learner can now be more quickly be turned into usable information, like spotting performance deficiency and creating personalized learning plan on the fly. The move is toward using big data for continuous assessment and personalized adaptive e-learning. No longer will generic corporate curricula be offered to the broad workforce. In coming years, we will see a shifting trend for many more companies looking to leverage big data to create customized learning plan for each individual employee. The analysis helps transform training concepts and provide a useful learning path. As part of that, it is also instructors' insight into whether their training ROI is increasing or not. So watch out for more big data analytics as the e-learning trends in 2020 and beyond to increase your training ROI. Let's take a look at trend number 3, tracking learners' analytics. Tracking and keeping the report of learner analytics is used to improve e-learning training and review student performance. Most of the organizations are equipped with learning management systems and tutorial systems with tracking feature. Analyzing and tracking student behavior is a simple task that does not require high-end system or a platform. Even a modern and updated learning management system enable tracking and data recovery feature and took care of learning and development needs. The basic information that is needed is course completion rates, information about learners, topics your chosen students are learning, genuine difficulty faced by the learners, strengths and weaknesses of the students, right candidates for certain tasks. Such a report analysis allows you to pick the best students with the right skill set. You can withstand the organization's goals. Let's take a look at trend number 4. An introduction of artificial intelligence, also referred to as an AI, the new mentor. Artificial intelligence can play a great role in the improvement of e-learning experience. Imagine a personalized tutor assisting you in your online training. Major benefit of an AI tutor is it is 24/7 and ease of access, i.e. accessible on any devices. An existing LMS can easily comply with an AI-powered robot that can even teach the students in their homes. The ease of comfort is one of the major advantages of AI tutor that can enhance the e-learning experience. These AI robots assistants are no less than human. They can do movements and track their students' movements too. Moreover, students won't have to write their doubts on device. They can simply ask questions vocally and make smoother interaction. The AI teachers not only interact vocally, but also help the students to choose the right pathways. E-learning requires constant data analysis. Employees will make regular progress and transfer more data to the server. For humans, taking care of all that information and making an educated conclusion would be a time-consuming task. The feedback wouldn't be timely, and expert would end up identifying the issue after it had already been resolved or forgotten about. AI processes this information automatically and draw conclusion in comprehensive reports. This considerably shorten the feedback loop between the HR and the employee. AI can serve as a mentor for learners to provide answers to their questions anytime on any device. Artificial intelligence, including chatbot, is affordable, effective, and fast. Artificial intelligence has immense potential to revolutionize e-learning and minimize time expenses. Onboarding would be a burden on team members because platform will provide all education-related information automatically. One glance would be enough to be updated. Recommend training for learner based on their job, organizations, or learning habits. Proactive recommendations for manager and administrator for routine tasks, ideas, and content. It can help you gather relevant information to enable you to improve your training development. Let's take a look at trend number 5. Deliver an immersive training experience with augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality for a better e-learning experience. Now, there is a big ratio of learners who prefer a display of things, information, rather than reading. For them, augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality serve the purpose to the best. These are the technologies that are known to enhance the learning experience of the users. That too, for a long time now, and can be essential for coming era. While some people prefer textual content, many are visual learners. They prefer to get immersed in training to acquire knowledge. One way to cater to those learners' need is through reality technologies, which can help instructor deliver immersive learning experience to learners, hence improving their retention ability. Apart from that, this technology are essential tools that assist organizations and learners in mitigating certain risks attached to training. While there is no debate on strength of immersive learning technology, like the AI, virtual reality, and mixed reality, for multiple reasons, their usage hasn't quite matched the hype. It's easy to implement, the cost and the lead time to develop these solutions are going down. So keep an eye on that. Okay. Let's take a look at trend number 6. The power of user-generated content, also referred to as UGC in learning. Another e-learning trends in 2020 and beyond to watch out for is that more user-generated content will be used to deliver better training. Today, the internet provides access to information in seconds, but we still need to review lots of data to identify what we need. User-generated content is defined as any type of content that has been created and put out there by the user, or using a better term, fans. It can refer to pictures, videos, documents, and everything in between, and is the act of users promoting content. Content curation is emerging as a great way to offset this challenge and offer on-demand, relevant content to users. It also enables users to find access to information they can use the moment of their need. You can curate content from your existing knowledge base as well as from public domain. This can be used to support formal training and keep the cost down. It offers recommended learning path that can be further customized by the user. It is a great way to encourage informal learning and, more significantly, self-directed learning in the workplace. It can also facilitate user contribution, user-generated content to keep the knowledge base current and relevant. Well-planned content creation requires that you should determine your learners' need and how to convey their information properly. Let's look at the last and final trend, which is way forward, story-based learning. This approach is a subset of gamification and game-based learning that is gaining more traction in recent years. Some studies shows its effectiveness, and top companies are already benefiting from it. Learners are drawn to it as it makes learning fun, and it doesn't appear to be a chore anymore. It can be used effectively to encourage today's multi-generations workforce. For L&D teams, it is variant gamification for serious learning. It is the one that delivers the required ROI. As it focuses on delivering specific learning outcomes, much the same way any other learning strategy does. Well-crafted gamification for serious learning will help you achieve the following: a higher engagement, better completion rates, higher recall and retention, quicker application of acquired learning on the job, proficiency gain, practice and move forward mystery, influence or trigger behavior changes. You can multiply its impact by combining with other successful techniques like microlearning and mobile apps for learning. Gamifying mobile apps for learning, gamified microlearning, gamified virtual reality, gamify interactive videos. Gamification techniques can be applied across all training needs. With reducing cost, shorter time to design and deploy, several use cases and success stories, this tend to worth a serious look if you have not looked at it thus far. The idea is simple. Turn the lessons into chapters of a story. Suddenly, your employees are not studying sales technique. They are saving princess from the dragon by making the right deals with their potential allies. Or simply participate in realistic simulation that make learning more fun and closer to actual work. So in conclusion, we have discussed 7 LMS trends for 2020 and beyond. 1, we talked about learner experience platform, also referred to as an LXP. 2, big data. 3, learner analytics. 4, artificial intelligence or AI. 5, immersive training with augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. 6, user-generated content. And 7, story-based learning. Thank you for joining our webinar, and I hope you like the trends and the topics. Please let me know if you have any questions about this topic. Thank you.